Okay, so this is the Shark powered lift away vacuum. You can see from the dirt we have been using it for like quite some time now, like almost 2 3 months now. I decided to do a review for vacuum after I've used for some time because that basically gives you how well it holds. Because starting it's like really nice, but when dust fills in, it might not be so good. But this has been really good. We had a previous B-cell vacuum cleaner. We moved that to the top stairs, but for bottom stairs, which is a lot bigger area, we use this one. It is really nice. So first thing to note is you can see how easy it is to make this thing. In the other vacuums, you see how you need to press a button. But that's not the case here. You just need to do this, which is really helpful. And once you start using it, you start expecting it in other vacuums as well. One thing is it also rotates. So a lot of other vacuums, even though you can fold it like this, you cannot do like a curved turn here, like in this. This one you can. Now to turn it on, all you need to do is you need to press this button here. Now my previous B-cell vacuum, the button is on the left here, and depending on where you are, sometimes it's not easily up, you cannot see it easily. So since the button is up top here, very easy to find, it is really nice. Also this is here there is a brush roll indicator. So let me start, there will be a little bit of a noise. Okay, so I have shown you like how it works, and you can see how it turns around, which is really nice when you want to, do small gaps on the left and right. Very helpful in those cases. Okay, next is let me show you some of the cool features. So first is this one. You see I'm currently on the hardwood floor, but when I move it to the carpet, I just need to move it down. It changes how the suction works. So let me show you, right? I'm on the hardwood floor. Let me move to the carpet here. Let me move to the carpet. You hear that noise? Normal carpet. So you can see it is made really nice so that it pulls a lot while on the carpet, and since this is up here, it is really handy. So you don't need to bend or anything, which is also really nice, right? Because you can see at my home, and you are vacuuming, and suddenly there is a carpet. Now you need to press a button, which is like not as it's cumbersome. Also, half of it is carpet, other half is not. So when you move it around, it's very difficult. So having the button here is lot of control. I really like this. Another thing is this feature is also very helpful. Suction control, min to max. So that also really helps. Sometimes in like a carpet like this, you see the one that is in the living room. It is like it gets stuck because it's like a lot of threads, very large threads. It's very comfortable carpet, but vacuuming is a problem. But with the suction control, which is right on top here, it is very easy. One more thing, it also has this wand release feature, right? Let me show you. Okay, sorry. Yep. Okay. So you see what it means is when you want to remove the wand, you don't need to do anything. You can just use it, and you can do stuff like top floor and stuff like that. There is a brush as well as these two, to help you clean, on the top part. Let me remove it. You can see how they fit really nice in the side and they don't fall. Let me put this here. So let's say you're trying to clean something on the top floor. Or when you have some nest or something, it's really nice. And you just put this back. So it has place to put everything. I like that part about this thing. Yeah, it is really nice. Now I'm putting the wand back. But that is not it, right? That is just one of the features. Now let me show you one more. So I can see, right? You can also remove this handle here. This was like a quick cleaning of your, something on the stairs or something. You can use the same brushes here as well. So you see, you can remove level 1, you can remove level 2 here, or you can remove level 3. And you see, this one, let's assume you want to go into really really small furniture like this one. Let me show you here. Okay, now normally it would have been so difficult, right? Normally all has a vacuum, but see this one. Let me turn it on. Oh, there is a lag over here. This is why. You heard that noise? There was a lot of dirt in here. Right? So you occasionally do clean. So you see, you occasionally do clean this thing, right? I don't clean every day, to be honest. Yeah, there was some dust there. But you can see how easy it was to do it even below, or even below, like, really small places like this, which is really cool, and especially below the beds. If you have a bed, this feature is amazing, this lift away feature. I would definitely recommend that. Let's come back here. So to twist the wire, now this is the one you will tie here if you don't want it to move too much. But when you use the lift away feature, you might want to remove it. Now this is how you will tie it. Right? It's an easy to tie, it is not automatic tie, but it's nice. It works. Okay, now to remove this thing, to clean it, you can see how I removed it. This press button here, remove it, and then you can just throw this away. Now you can clean up the upper filters as well as the lower filters. I'm not going to open lower filters because you can see there is so much dirt here already. You can open the upper filter, right? And you can use this to clean stuff. There's a wire here. Yep, fits properly. Okay, so I think I have shown you all the features. Also, this wand release is really nice because it's a locking mechanism. So once again, my older vacuum, it is quite old though, it's like almost 7 years, it still works, but it just has the lock, you need to tighten it kind of thing. It is like this. This is very similar to connecting this, right? There is no locking mechanism in place. It's like almost like this in my older vacuum. So sometimes it does not fit properly and you don't know, and you need to really tighten it. But that is not really the case here, right? In this one, as you can see, when you want to remove stuff or do some cleaning, or let's say, this one is really easy because this one is, hand release thing. So yeah, those are all the features, and I like it, which is actually to keep it, and we have been using it for a few months and we have no complaints. Also, the rotating part and putting under the bed is really helpful. So yes, I would recommend it to anybody. Yes, I would definitely recommend this vacuum to people. It is as powerful as Bissell. So we had another vacuum before, but it was not as powerful as Bissell. We went with this one, and yes, this one is as powerful as Bissell, which is really nice. And it has a lot of extra features, so it's like an all-rounder every way. Yeah, definitely buy this if you have a lot of furniture as well. If a lot of place like beds and stuff that you want to clean below, I would definitely recommend it to you. Okay, thank you.